Hey guys, it's Clary and today I'll be showing you things you didn't know about Stardew Valley. Coconuts and coconut trees work like seeds. If you reach Ginger Island of foraging level 0, coconuts won't drop. Early game tips change based on how many times you started the game. The 5th startup shows a tip about shift clicking to buy 5 items. New tips stop after a few dozen starts, except for milestones at 100, 1000 and 10,000 starts. They claim that Lewis wears his purple shorts on Ginger Island for a month, but this is likely false. In multiplayer there's a small chance someone is bad at music. This only happens if your player ID ends in 111. This player's music will just be off key. Santa flies by during the winter 24th hour prophet summary. He also flies by during the mountain cutscene on winter 25th. You can place grass starter under fences to let it spread safely. You can also place grass starter under machines for the same effect. Only villagers you've spoken to post requests on the help wanted board. Talking to desired villagers only at the beginning of a new save can help with friendship. Perfect catches give a 2.4 experience multiplier. Treasure chests give you 2.2 multiplier. Doing both at once gives you a 5.28 multiplier. Catching an Iridium legend with both gives the most experience. This can take you from fishing level 0 to level 4. Junimo HUD colors are usually random. You can change them with gems. There are 21 colors, each tied to a mineral. Third most profitable non-legendary fish item is void mail. It's fished at the witch's hut. Lava eels, ice pips and blobfish are worth more but are much rarer. Planting grass starters on winter 28th results in widespread grass on spring 1st. In multiplayer, mines stay the same all day. Ladders remain there even if players leave. If you get an artifact spot in your inventory, its description is, "How did you get this in your inventory? It made a boo-boo." The copper pickaxe upgrade is the most important. It halves the hits needed for most rogues. Future upgrades have less of a consistent impact. A stone star drop appears at Grandpa's shrine after achieving perfection. The spa used to open on summer 1st. It was moved to summer 3rd to avoid confusion with crop killing overnight sounds. Originally, there was going to be 80 achievements. Character portraits were originally planned to be hand-drawn. Shane's wiki page has an example of a hand-drawn portrait. The walnut door may not count the first walnut given to it. It is possible to complete the door with 101 walnuts. Trying to access the casino early results in the bouncer placing a bomb. The casino slot machine is always in your favor. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I was able to help you set up your server. Bye guys!